Hello! Good afternoon, guys! Happy Tuesday! Today is Tuesday. I am about to have my lunch. Nagluto ako ng fried rice and then I have an egg on top. Fried egg. Sunny side up egg, and that's my lunch. Meron pa akong leftover na fried rice doon. Siguro yan yung ulamin ko mamaya. Because I'm gonna cook fish. Pero, yeah, after this, we will take a shower. Natapos ko na yung kailangan ko i-edit. Diyan ako nag-edit kanina kasi mainit dun sa area na yon. Yung flower na binigay ni Dan, nandyan pa din. Yan, nandyan pa din. We will take care of that later, guys. But let's eat first. Kain! Kain tayo! Hello! Hapon na, guys. 4:22 ng hapon. I'm waiting for Dan. And habang hinihintay ko siya, nanonood ako ng mga videos. Nag-start na ako manood ng mga newborn essential videos. Pero, yung mga inuuna ko munang panoorin ngayon is yung mga regrets para alam ko kung ano yung mga i-avoid bilhin. And sa mga videos na napanood ko, yung nasa regret list talaga nila is yung mga cute clothes, especially daw sa mga girls. Well, hindi naman lahat ng napanood ko sinabi na hala, wag bumili ng mga cute clothes, pero sabi nila they won't use it for the first few months daw talaga kasi first of all well, ito yung sabi nila ha, parang gusto mo lang na komportable sila, so yung mga sinusuot nila is yung mga pajama, yung mga pantulog, at saka hindi daw din kailangan yung mga mittens kasi usually yung mga sinusuot ng mga bata is meron ng built-in na cover yung yung kamay nila at saka yung paa nila. So don't buy socks and shoes daw. Sabi ko, ang cute pa naman ng mga shoes. So, yun yung mga pinapanood ko. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi ito magiging mura. Sobrang daming kailangan bilhin para sa first baby. But I'm excited. Sobrang excited ako. Nag-a-add to cart na ako sa Amazon ko. Tapos sinisave ko lang siya for later. Para nandun na siya ba. Kasi matagal pa kami mag-shopping. Baka makalimutan ko na lahat. So sabi ko, kung feeling ko kailangan ko siya hinahanap ko siya sa Amazon. Tapos ina-add later ko siya. Hina-heart ko siya dun. And yeah, exciting. That's what I have been watching lately. Mga regrets. And some newborn essential videos, mga pinapanood ko. Yung mga pinapanood ko is yung nanganak na talaga. Hindi yung mga newborn haul ng mga first time moms. Though nanonood din ako noon, pero I realized na parang ako lang din yan. Lahat ng cute na makita bibilhin, pero hindi ko alam kung kakailanganin ko. So iniba ko yung mga pinapanood ko. Sabi ko, deep tayo sa mga like mama na talaga, na experience na talaga nila. Alam mo yun, para sa kanila talaga galing kung ano yung kailangan at saka kung ano yung hindi. Until now, hindi ko pa din ginagamit yung aking pregnancy pillow kasi I'm still okay, though I'm feeling a lot of tightness sa aking belly. Yes, I'm wearing yung binigay sa akin ni Tita Sexy. Tita Sexy, thank you so much. This is very nice and warm, very, very soft as well. Yung isa nito na parang beige yung kulay, gustong-gusto ko din yun. Wala siyang ganito, but gustong-gusto ko din yun. Suot ko yun nung nagmukbang kami na Dan. Yeah, thank you, Tita Sexy. It's very nice and comfy. Pagdating ni Dan, siguro magbibihis lang yun, guys. Meron kaming actually titingnan na bahay today. So, nagpa-schedule ata siya kagabi or kahapon. Tapos, timing may open today and nakakuha kami ng appointment. So, at 5 in the afternoon, pupunta kami doon. Malapit lang dito sa bahay namin. So, okay lang. Hindi pa naman late si Dan. Yeah, yan yung ganap. Sana magustuhan natin. Para isang beses lang tayo titingin ng bahay. Kasi medyo stressful din kaya yun. It's really cold outside. As in, sobrang lamig na. Si Dan nag-start na mag-wear ng coat. Ay, hala. I-put away natin to. Kasi hindi na natin siya kailangan. Sorry. Yeah. Madali lang naman to. Tatanggalin lang naman eh. O, hindi naman namin dinamage yung bahay ha. Hindi naman ako nag-tape sa mga may pintura. Huwag naman natin i-damage yung bahay. kakatawag lang ni Dan. He'll be here in 10 minutes and hindi na daw siya bababa, guys. So, let's get ready. Oh my gosh, ang lamig-lamig. Ano susuotin natin? Sobrang lamig. We're here with... Oh, wow. We're here with Danny Boy.
Hello, people.
Hello, vlog. So we're checking out this house. You like this house?
Honestly?
Oh, yeah, why?
Let's have a look.
So we're not 100% sure about this one?
Nah, but we're going to start looking at a few options. So.
Okay.
It's not my favourite one.
Oh.
That reminds me, I've got to call someone about my favourite one.
Oh, okay. Well, let's call them later.
Well, they finish work later, but yeah.
What's your favorite one? Which one's your favorite one?
This one's only got a single garage.
Oh, really? Oh, well, why are we looking at this one then?
Let's have a look. For the right money, it might be an option.
So your car stays outside?
Yeah, my guy says that, so I'll do that.
Kasi sabi namin, sa bagong o sa rerentahan na bahay, kailangan may double garage. How many rooms? Are you particular?
Nah, but you know, 3 is good.
3 would be good. 3 rooms would be good.
This one doesn't have an ensuite.
It doesn't have an ensuite.
It's got an ensuite, my love.
Garage dyan siya eh. Mura dyan siya buang ay matalagot. Biskot niya eh.
That's got an ensuite.
And then, what are the other must-haves?
You have a must-have?
Yeah.
I'm not fussy. No, ducted heating and cooling is probably the only.
I'm not fussy, but it has to. Ducted, what's that?
Heating and cooling.
Heating, what does that mean? What's
Air
ducted?
Ducted, like we got in our house, we got the vents in each room.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Ano.
Needs that.
Yan, hindi ko yun iniisip yung mga ganyan. Pero yeah, kailangan natin ng ganyan. Alright. I think we're almost there, guys. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. So, hindi ganun kalayo ang biyahe. Gusto kasi namin magstay within the area para malapit lang kami sa pinapatayo naming bahay.
I think these are here. These are here.
Okay.
So it's that one. You don't film it, do you?
No, I'm not filming it. Gusto namin na malapit lang kami sa pinapatayo namin bahay kasi kapag nag-start na kami mag-build, alam na kung nasaan si Dan. Nandun lang siya, dun sa pinapatayong bahay. Araw-araw. Dito na kami sa loob. Ito yung garage.
Let me step it out.
Maliit. Mas malaki yung garage natin ngayon.
It's fine. You want me to put a car in there?
Na.
I don't think you're going to fit it.
Gusto ko yung floor. Parang bahay lang namin. Ang haba. Pero gusto ko yung floor. I like the floor. First room. Is this the master? Maybe not. I don't know.
Let's have a look to see.
Do they have built-in wardrobe? Yeah, meron. Okay. That's it. This is a very long house. No. Nope. Ito yung kitchen.
I could actually be fine with it for a year. The garage is too small. That's my biggest negative.
Yeah.
Put a car in there.
Yeah, you will struggle.
I can get out of the car. Too bloody far. There's no way.
Yeah, maganda sana yung floor. Tapos low maintenance lang kasi maliit lang yung labas. Kasi alam nyo naman, hindi kami lumalabas. Ano siya no? Pahaba siya, babe. It's a long one.
Long?
Long. Yeah.
Massively long.
Yeah. This is the kitchen.
This would do us if we had to.
Oo. Ito, okay na lang to.
Couch
Okay na.
would fit.
Couch, yeah, TV. Konti lang naman yung furniture na.
One thing they have to get in the fridge.
Yeah. Tapos yung pantry nila maliit. And that's the pantry.
Small cooker.
Yeah. 4 lang.
Yeah.
I think sobrang ano niyan sa akin. I don't think I can reach that. Really. I think I'll have a hard time reaching the cabinets. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Tapos namatayan pa ng ng power si ate. So wala siyang ilaw dito. Isa lang yung bathroom, guys. No ensuite. Guys, that house is a no. Dito kami sa...
Who would live there long term though? That was such a skinny house.
Well, bachelor.
No, you can't even fit a car in it.
As without
Garage.
someone who doesn't have a car, like me. Yeah, maliit yung garage. Sabi ni Dan, kakasya yung car, pero pag lumabas siya, mahirapan daw siya, walang space.
You couldn't take a baby out. Imagine how hard the wall will be hitting there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero sinabihan namin yung agent na kapag may nakita siyang bahay, tapos sinabihan namin siya kung ano yung gusto namin, like i-email kami or tawagan kami. Anyway, dito kami sa labas ng Foodland. Bili lang tayo ng ingredients for utan bisaya because I'm gonna cook that tomorrow. I'm gonna have utan bisaya with isda. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Guess what?
What's that?
Now they have the chicken neck.
Is that like dog food?
Wala nga lang siyang skin. Wala siyang skin. Naghanap kami ng oxtail. Gusto kong itry yung kare-kare. Oxtail. Meron, no? Heart. Kapag kasi mga ganyan, usually nandito sa Foodland. Dito siya, mga ganyan, Hala, at least they have chicken neck here. What's this? Marrow. Pang bulalo, Bili sila ng shaving cream. Is that the one you like? You don't really like a specific brand, do you? Kung ano-ano.
The cheapest one possible.
Kung ano pinakamura, walang pakialamanan. Good job, my love.
Yeah, dude, I'm not sure if that's the right one.
What do you mean? What's the right one? Gel or foam? Do you want a gel?
Gel's good. Come on, gel.
Okay, that's gel. Right?
We'll
Is
see.
it gel? No, it's gel. See? It says gel. Okay? Huh? No, I took off all the stuff.
We should be climbing up there.
What?
We should be climbing chairs.
No, it's just a chair. It's a small chair.
And then we fall off.
It's not the long chair.
Are you pulling away?
Yeah. Oo nga pala, no. Pumatong pala tayo dun, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Okay lang naman. Maliit lang naman yun. Ito yung hindi talaga pwede kasi malaki. Mahaba. Ito yung binili namin sa Foodland. Bumili lang ako ng kamatis at saka pumpkin. Marami akong mga frozen na mga gulay na pwede natin ilagay sa ating utan. Tapos kailangan namin tong guys, i-consume talaga yung aming mga frozen goods. Kasi we want the fridge to be as empty as possible. So meron ba akong feeling ko, ayan, yay! Okra. Yeah, bukas natin yan lulutuin. Tapos meron akong string beans. Sabihin ko sana spring onions. And then, meron akong malunggay. Bumili tayo ng malunggay, diba? Yes. Bukas yan. Yung aking makarel. Nandito na, guys. Naka-thaw na yan siya. Guys, yung aking makarel, steamed na pala siya. Ngayon ko lang siya napansin. Kasi sabi ko, kailangan ko pa pala itong linisin. Kukunin ko sana yung niya ba? Yung mga laman loob niya. Ang bilis lang niya kunin, ha. Luto na pala siya. Pagbasa ko ng packaging, steamed mackerel fish. Pero prinito ko pa din siya kasi ayoko ng steam. Gusto ko prito. So pinrito ko yung pero luto na siya. Ay, nako. Hindi nagbabasa ng packaging. Lagyan ko siya ng asin. Baka hindi pa ito nilagyan ng asin, Sana okay lang siya i-prito na galing na siyang asin. Hindi ko kaya na-try. Pero we'll see. Meron akong leftover na fried rice. Kung sana siya kainin ko ng fried rice. Kamay-kamay ba? Ganun. Okay lang yan, magiging ako ibang ulam na option. Is your... Okay, I'm gonna prepare your food for tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow is... Huh? I'll choose the dinner? Okay. Nilalagay ko siya sa fridge one day before kasi frozen eh. So spaghetti bolognese is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Day 5. Wait lang, ayusin lang muna natin itong ating isda. Sana okay lang yun. Sure talaga yan. No, sobrang soup niya. Aloy. Okay, try natin to guys. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung amoy ng makarel. Yung stained ba? Pero try natin. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi siya yung inaasahan ko doon. Pero try pa rin natin. Huwag naman natin siyang i-judge agad-agad. Teka. Hindi ko alam. Did you notice that it says steam on the packaging?
I didn't break the packaging.
No, I didn't either. I just saw mackerel. Nag-boil ako ng itlog, guys. Hindi ko kayang walang ulam. Ito lang kinakain-kain ko kanina. Sabi ko, uy, ano ba naman to? Napaka-plain. Si Danny Boy, busy kaka-measure ng mga kung ano-ano. Ah, sorry. Thank you. Busy siya. Guys, gagawa ako ng brownie. Ang tagal na namin itong binili. Last grocery shopping namin na. Tapos, hindi ko siya na-bake. Ito na naman ako. Request ng request. Tapos, hindi naman pala ginagawa. Pero ngayon, magpa-brownie kami guys. Kasi, feeling ko matagal-tagal pa kami dito sa lounge. Kasi si Dan, nag-measure pa. Natanggap niya yung lista ng measurement ng mga ano namin. Ng mga windows ba. So, nag-measure siya. Nag-say kung okay lang ba. Kung kailangan ibahin. Alam mo yun? Ini-imagine niya yung itsura ng mga windows. In-imagine niya yung mga size. Kung okay ba. So, lakad-lakad siya guys. Sa kung saan-saan. Sa banyo. Sa kung saan-saan. Para ma-imagine niya. Anyway. Yung i-bake ko is yung ano lang. Yung galing Coles. Yung basic lang nila. Hindi yung may mga topping-topping. Ayoko yung ganun. Double chocolate brownie. Actually, hindi ko pa ito na-try. So, try natin. Kasi yung mga na-try namin noon, yung mga fancy, may mga like, additional na mga, yun nga, mga chocolate topping, ganun. Ito, wala talaga. So, basic lang siya. From the Coles brand. Ito, brownie mix lang siya. So, yung kakailanganin is 125 grams ng melted butter, 2 eggs, at saka pan. Sabi square pan daw, pero wala akong square pan. So, I'm just using this round one. Tapos, inano ko na siya ng bata. Tapos, i-mix lang together, guys. Lahat. Naka-preheat na din yung oven ko. 160 degrees Celsius. Fan force. Namatay yung camera ko, guys. Salita ako ng salita kanina. Wala na palang memory. Pero ito na yung itsura. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating oven. Guys, di ko alam kung sobrang nag-crave lang talaga ako ng brownies, but sobrang sarap nito. Which ice cream do you want? The vanilla or the other flavor ice cream?
We have a flavor, but one also ice cream.
Okay. May natirang ice cream yung dinala ni Tony. At saka nila, may natirang konti. Pero gusto ko vanilla sa aking brownie. Ang sarap! Have you tried this brownie before?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Well, I really like it. Si Dan kasi kung siya pipiliin niya yung yung hindi Coles na brand. Gusto niya yung may mga extra chocolate, mga ganun. Alright. Wala, ang dami pa nitong natira ay. You said you want lots of ice cream? Ito yung akin. Ito yung kay Dan. Yan yung natirang brownie. Ang dami guys. Sarap. Hindi ko pa siya natikman with ice cream but it's really, really good.
Thanks, babe.
It's okay. Try it.
Pink. We want a chocolate.
Another chocolate. See, the inside is like nice and gooey, and then the outside is a bit like, it's not crackling, but like, it's good, yeah. So because of you, huh? I didn't make it. It's just from the packet. It's good, right? Next time, when we get brownie, always get the Coles one because I really like it. Masarap.
Good.
It's really good, eh? Sabi ko sa'yo. Balik lang natin yung ice cream kasi baka ma-melt. Malanay. Gabi na guys. Tapos na siya sa kanyang ginagawa. So, naka-iPad na siya. Oh, good, my love?
Oh, good.
Tagal niya dun kanina. Sa plano sa bahay. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Good night, my love.
Good night, people.